Hi there. Thanks for joining me. Tonight I'm really excited because I got a Cricut Easy Press too. And so I'm doing an unboxing video and I decided to do a voiceover because this is a lot easier than trying to edit a bunch of stuff out. My husband is gaming in the living room and he's doing a whole lot of yelling. So I got this today on the Black Friday deal at Walmart. It was $129. Excuse me. They're usually $189, so we got a $60 deal on it. Something that I've been wanting for a long time, and I'm really excited about. This is a little envelope that comes on top, and inside of it, you get your registration number, which I hope I put my thumb over fast enough. And then you get this cool booklet, and I don't know why I decided to go through every single page with you guys, but it's going to be a quick video. I hope you don't mind. It just kind of shows you all the different things that it does and, kind of guides you through your first project, gives you different inspiration ideas, tells you where to put it whenever it's done, more inspiration, and shows you three different sizes you can get. I got a 9 by 9. The 12 by 12 was way too big for me, and the little one was way too small. So 9 by 9 was perfect. And then you get a quick start guide, and oh, and then they give you a piece of HTV to do your first project. So I think I'm going to do it on that bag that they sent with it. I think that that's probably what they want you to do. Oh, you haven't seen the bag yet. Okay, so in a second you're going to see the bag I'm talking about. I tried to take it out at the upwards, but you have to turn the box sideways to take it out if you want to take it out safely. I struggled way longer than I should have. Sorry it's so wobbly of a video. I couldn't see the the camera and do the unboxing at the same time because the box was so big. So I kept having to go back to the camera and double check. Anyways, so I didn't read how long the cord was, but it's longer than my iron cord is, so I'm pretty happy about that. That thing that's wrapped around it is like, warning information and stuff. So definitely read through that. I'm not that good at eyeballing measurements, but I think that might be 5 feet. And then see, there's the bag that it comes in. So I think that we're going to do our first project on that bag. It's like a sackcloth. I can't even think of the right kind of verbiage to say that what it's made out of, but it's just a cotton kind of maybe not all the way canvasy, but kind of canvasy bag. And then that is it's a lightweight plate that has these little steps on it for and the steps are some kind of silicone probably that's heat proof, and that's what you set your press on whenever it's hot and you're letting it cool down. So took off all the plastic that was all over it. And I love the handle and I love the silicone inside that handle is grippy. So, I mean, it's not bumpy, but it has a grip on it. So it it's really firm in your hand. Also, there's no holes because there's no seam for this thing. There's no holes in it, which, if you've ironed stuff with an iron steam, you'll know that that's a big old pain sometimes, especially if your iron's way too hot. You're going to burn holes in your stuff. So I just shook it on the table so you could see that the stoppers on the bottom of it are really good and they're not going to let it um, uh, go anywhere. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope you guys go out and get one. See you later. Bye.